Azalea belongs to the genus Rhododendron and comes in different species and varieties. They are always evergreen shrubs with small leaves. The botanical name is Rhododendron simsii, but this plant is also known by the names indoor azalea, potted azalea and alpine rose. The appearance of an azalea is very colorful. The plant has a very large flowering. This consists of very many flowers, which shine in full color for many weeks. The colors of the flowers can be white, salmon pink, pink, red, lilac, purple or even bicolor. The flowering period is between September and March and can vary depending on the species. The potted azalea originates from an Asian mountainous region, in most cases from China, Taiwan and Japan, so it is important to meet the requirements of climatic conditions. In the best case, the azalea is placed in a bright location, which is in partial shade. The plant should not receive direct sunlight. The optimal temperature is between 12 and 20 degrees Celsius. Also, a location next to the heater should be avoided, because the dry heat does not support the azalea in your growth. If the optimal location is chosen, the flowering period can last up to 2 months. Since the leaves of azalea are very poisonous, care should be taken not to place the plant within the reach of children or pets. Experience has shown that a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius and a bright staircase as a location is suitable as an optimal place for this plant. While the plant is in bloom, fertilization is not necessary. Fertilization can be used from March to September. If you want to repot the azalea, you must make sure that rhododendron soil is used. This soil has the optimal pH for the growth of the plant. From the month of May, you can put the plant on the balcony or in the garden. Here, too, it should be noted that it is a shady place. In September you should bring the azalea back indoors. The azalea always needs moist roots. In the best case you put your azalea in a planter. This will allow the excess water to run off and the plant will not stand in water. The humid climate is very good for the azalea. Azaleas prefer low lime water or even rainwater. To ensure that the roots are sufficiently soaked, you can dip your azalea once a week. This involves dipping the plant in a bucket of water. Once the water stops bubbling, you can remove the plant from the water and let it drain. This way you can make sure that the plant gets the optimal water supply. In Nepal, the azalea is revered as the national flower and is used as a symbol of good luck on special occasions. In Japan, the gift of an azalea is said to bring good luck. In our circles, too, the plants are often given as gifts for birthdays or special occasions. In the language of flowers, it is used to express trust and deep love.